As a logo designer, I'm always looking to finesse and optimize my logo design service. One of the most tedious parts of that service is when I have to export multiple file types to hand over to my client so that they have their logo in all the formats that they'll need for any given situation. Now that can be JPEG, PNG, GIF files, EPS files, AI files in all the different color formats, RGB, CMYK and Pantone. Now when you multiply all of those together, that's a lot of different file formats and it can take a little bit of time to do. I found a piece of software which lets me do a lot of that automatically. And even better, it organizes all of those files into folders for me. That software is called Logo Package Express. Now this is not a sponsored video, I found the software myself and I paid for it. So this is an unbiased review of that software. Let's jump over to the PC and I'll show you how it works. Okay folks, so today I'm going to be taking you through Logo Package Express. I'm going to take one of my client logos through to exporting all of the files that are needed by the client for all sorts of situations. Okay, so the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to download the Logo Package Express folder or zip file and unpack it, and you will have these folders in it. The first thing you should do is open the tutorials folder and watch the tutorial from Michael. It's 10 minutes long and you really need to watch it because you may miss a vital step and it just won't work, okay? So watch that video first. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back here and close that window, and this is the logo that I'm going to use today. First thing I need to do is I need to go to the folder structure folder, and I'm going to copy all of these folders and I'm going to copy and paste them into my client folder where I want the logo package to be. Okay, so I've pasted those in there. Next thing I need to do is I need to go back here to the Logo Express folder and I'm going to open up the templates file and I'm going to export my print templates first, my CMYK and Pantone templates first. Okay, so I'm going to open that. Here we go, and this is what it looks like. So you can see here that Michael has created some instructions that you can follow. If you follow those, it will lead you through what you need to do. And here you can see we've got full logo, logo type only, and logo mark only. And first thing I want to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select the CMYK version of my logo and I'm going to paste it into this box here. And I need to go to my actions palette, and you can see here I've got the Logo Package Actions folder, and there are two actions in here. There's Print Logo Package and Digital Logo Package. So right now we're working on Print Logo Package, so I'm going to select that and I'm going to hit play. And it duplicates the logo into all of the artboards. It tells me recolor the logos according to artboard labels and delete any unwanted logo variations. So I'm going to click OK. Okay, so here we've got the logo mark only, so I'm going to delete all of the text from here. Okay. And then I don't really have a logo type only. The logo doesn't, we don't use just the logo type, so I'm going to remove all of those. You would keep your logo type version in there, and I'm going to just remove the uncoated just now and just leave the Pantone solid coated. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to do our black version. So I'm just going to make that black. Inverse is white. Don't have any there. Black and white. And then you can see here that this is the Pantone coated version. So if I go over here and I pull this across, what this will do is this will allow me to paste this into this here, and it will give me, it will bring along the Pantone swatches, so I can quickly apply my Pantone swatches to this logo. And then the text is this grey here. And then before I forget, I also want to outline all of that text as well. I can delete that now. And then there's no more text over there. Okay, so I've created the colors and got rid of any that I don't need. I go back to my actions palette and I hit play again. Now what it does is it's resized everything to the logo and it's deleted any artboards that are no longer needed. I'm going to click continue because it says it's prepared the artboards. What I need to do is I need to give it a client name, so I'm going to call it Macintosh Interiors. Then I need to choose the output directory, which is in OneDrive, Macintosh logo. Click OK. And then I export print logos. And it tells me that it may take a minute or two. So we just wait until that's finished. Don't worry if it says not responding. Just it takes a little bit of time to do that. So you can imagine if you've got more artboards, it may take a little bit longer than that. So here you say you did it, all the print files are done. So if we click OK, and then if we now go and look at the Macintosh logo folder, you can see we now have all of these files in here. Okay, now one thing which I've noticed is that in the preview for the files is that it shows the entire artboard, including the instructions and stuff. Now it's a bit of a glitch. It only seems to do that with the Illustrator files. For PDF files, it works fine. So this is a slight bug, I think, and it may, I don't know, Michael may fix this at a later date. It's no biggie, so just be aware of that. That's one glitch which I found when using this. But as you can see, it's created all of the different files. Now don't worry that it's one big list, because later on we will use a script which will put them all of these into their correct folder. So that's the print files done. So we now need to go back to our templates again, open up the digital template. Okay, so you can see here again, we've got the instructions on what you need to do, and we've got put logo here. So I'm going to pull my logo across again, and I'm going to paste it in. And don't worry where you put these, you know, you can put it up high or low. It will, as you saw from the print version, it will resize the artboard to the logo, so it doesn't matter. As long as it fits inside the artboard, you will be fine. And this time I'm going to outline the text first. Okay, so now we're going to go to the digital package, highlight that, and click play. And it's duplicated it across all of the artboards. Again, I'm not having a logo type only version. We'll get rid of these. And then I want that to be black. So I'm going to make that black. I'm going to make that white. Same here. That's all going to be white. And that's going to be black. And then that's my full color version. Go back to my actions palette. Hit play again, hit continue, folder name, Macintosh, or client name, sorry, Macintosh Interiors, choose the folder, oh, not Dropbox, OneDrive, Macintosh logo, hit OK, and then export digital logos. Your logos are now exporting. Shouldn't take as long as it did for the print ones because there's less files. Again, ignore the not responding thing. It's just Illustrator working in the background. That's all the files exported. We go back to the Macintosh logo folder now. You can see now we've got more files, a lot of the digital files. So there's, you know, the black version, there's the color version, which is just the logo mark. We've got SVG files, PNG, black, and reverse files, which you won't see obviously. So we now have them all there, but we want them to be into these folders here. So what we need to do is we go back to our Logo Package Express folder. Okay, the next thing you need to do is click on Logo Package Organizer, and you search for where you have saved the folder with the logo files in it. You click OK, and it tells you your logo files have been sorted. Yay! And if we go back to the folder, you can see now there's only 2 folders here, but if we go into the logo folder, we've got full color, one color, reverse. Click on full color, we've got digital and print. If you go in digital, you can see here we've got an AI and we've got an SVG, and we've got our bitmaps. Go back. In print, we've got CMYK. So we've got our CMYK files, and we've got our Pantone files. And then you have the same for one color and the same for reverse. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use Logo Package Express. Now, you may make a few mistakes the first couple of times you use it, but I've used it now multiple times, and it's just a really straightforward process. It saves me buckets of time, which means that I save money and I can be more profitable at the same time, because it takes me less time to complete the project. So I would highly recommend, if you're a logo designer and you are exporting multiple file formats for your clients, that you take a look at Logo Package Express. So there you have it, Logo Package Express. I'd like to say a big thank you to Michael, who developed the software, because it's saving me a lot of time, and time equals money. So I hope you guys find this video useful. If you want to purchase the software yourself, there's a link down in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will get a little bit of beer money from that. So if you are interested in buying it, I'd really appreciate it if you used my link. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you click on the little bell icon, and you'll be notified of any new videos from myself. Until I see you next time, stay creative, folks.